Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're discussing a significant development that's been making headlines lately. India's recent test of Agni 5 ballistic missile has sparked concern in Turkey and raised questions about regional security. So what's the Agni 5 missile and why is it causing a stir? Simply put, it's a nuclear-capable ballistic missile. With a range up to 5,000 kilometers, that means it can strike targets from Turkey to China. Turkish media outlets have reacted strongly to this development, expressing outrage over the potential threat. Talking about India's perspective, Indian authorities have downplayed the test, saying it was routine and aimed at deterring China and Pakistan. But Turkish media has highlighted the gravity of being named within the Agni's 5 potential range. This has sparked concerns about India's expanding strategic reach and its implication for regional security. Now to the regional implications, analysts believe that India's aggressive missile expansion undermines regional security and raises international concerns. The inclusion of Turkey, a key NATO member, in the missile strike radius broadens the scope of India's military shadow and challenges the regional stability. So what is next? What does this mean for the region and the world? The global community must urge restraint and encourage mutual respect for sovereignty and transparent defense postures. It's crucial to prevent the slide into regional militarization and promote peaceful cooperation. And finally, before we wrap up, I want to bring to your attention some other important news. In Jammu and Kashmir, seminars and rally were organized to pay tribute to iconic Kashmiri leader Syed Ali Gilani on his 4th martyrdom anniversary. The events were attended by the various political, religious and social organizations, as well as student wings and youth. The participants were to continue Gilani's mission for Kashmir's freedom and paid homage to his sacrifices for the freedom movement. That's all for today. Stay aware, stay vigilant. Thank you.